If you're looking to track retail store operations in Monday.com, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down how you can manage and streamline your retail store operations effectively using this powerful software. Stick with me until the end, as I'll also share some alternatives that may work even better for your needs. You won't want to miss it. First, let's dive into how Monday.com can actually support your retail store operations. The platform allows you to create customized boards for each department within your store, whether it's inventory, sales, or customer service. You can use these boards to track tasks, monitor progress, and communicate with your team in real time. Next, it's about integrating your daily operations into Monday.com. By using columns like status updates, timelines, and priorities, you can easily assign tasks to team members and set deadlines. This is perfect for retail store managers who need a quick, visual way to track who's doing what and when. The third thing to consider is automation. Monday.com offers automation features that can save a ton of time. You can set triggers for repetitive tasks like reordering stock when levels fall below a certain point, or automatically notifying staff about urgent tasks. This not only boosts efficiency, but helps reduce human error in tracking tasks. Next, for better visibility into your store operations, Monday.com's dashboards are a great tool. With a dashboard, you can pull data from all your boards and view it in real time. Whether it's sales numbers or customer feedback, having everything in one place gives you a clear picture of your store's performance. It's great for decision-making without having to jump between spreadsheets or emails. But while Monday.com can handle a lot of your retail store management needs, there are some limitations to keep in mind. One issue is that it can become a bit overwhelming if you're handling a large number of tasks across multiple stores. The more complex your operations are, the more difficult it can be to keep everything organized on Monday.com without it becoming cluttered. The fifth thing is pricing. Monday.com can get pricey, especially if you need the premium features for advanced reporting and integrations. For smaller businesses or those on a budget, this might be a challenge, as you'll have to weigh the cost against what you actually need. But don't worry, there's hope. If you're looking for something that's simpler and more cost-effective while still being highly effective in managing your store operations, I've got some alternatives for you. These alternatives are streamlined, intuitive, and offer free trials, so you can test them out before committing. One such option is Alternative Software, which provides an easier interface and is great for smaller teams or operations that don't need all the bells and whistles of Monday.com. It offers a free trial and some unique features that can really help optimize your retail store operations in a way that Monday.com might not be able to. Now, before you go off and try these alternatives, I want to tell you about an exclusive and extended free trial to software mentioned above. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, whether you're sticking with Monday.com or exploring a more specialized option, make sure to check out these tools that will really help track retail store operations effectively.